from Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. Today I've just popped down quickly. I've already got the strawberries from my garden. They're the white strawberries. I'll see if I can find a picture of what they are, the variety. I'm going to try and move the rhubarb, and I'm going to try and get that planted finally in the new allotment. And I'll probably only end up doing that today, but I do want to weed the strawberry bed. I'll show you it. I want to try and weed that strawberry bed. All the strawberries are in there. So it looks fairly easy to weed. It's just them big ones are going to be hard to get out. And try and not disturb the strawberries that are in, but I can hardly even see them. And there's one. So that's a strawberry. It's like that flower I got a plant off my friend years ago. I think it was strawberries actually. Yeah, and there must have been a little bit of this in it I never saw, and it just spreads everywhere. I quite like it. It keeps other weeds down. It's not too bad. There's a strawberry. But my strawberries were dying out. Right, it started raining, so I am getting all these runners, and I'm going to put them on. Some of them have got roots, see? I've even got a proper coat on, look. So I decided to clean the greenhouse out a bit, putting my flowers along here, and making some space on that. But this is chives, you know. See if you can see. Oh my god, that was spring onions. Spring onions, man. Oh, I don't think they're any good. Anyway, so I'm going to put these in little pots. Oh crap. I think they're a bit brittle. Right. Strawberry. Might trim them down a bit as well. That's a big one. Do the little ones. I really hope it stops raining soon. Well, you can kind of see the roots now. That's one done. You there for now. God, it's so dark now. There's a few little ones left. 1, 2, 3 little ones. These are going to go on bigger pots. So 1, 2, 3. Well, that was a change of plans. It actually looks sunny, you know. I normally check the weather, and I normally have the coat on. Freaking hell. I'm not going out on this. I don't have an umbrella or anything. Look. You notice I'm getting some stuff done. I've got the strawberries in there. Probably going to cut weed all these and store these down there. That's my chrysanthemums. That's my lavender. That's some other thing. I forgot the name of. If I clear all that, I can get ready to put the cover back on. It's made of flowers. It's my dahlias. Some chrysanthemums. That's what the cucumbers were. And I can clear this mess on the floor maybe. That would be nice. Oh, is it stopping? Spring onions. 7th of June. I'm going to put them in here, plant them in there, with the other forgotten veg. You never know, oh, I know I'll get something off them. These ones are completely dead. Put them along the middle there. Well, these were definitely forgotten about. I'm not a perfect gardener, that's for sure. I already knew that, but you might know of. Look at that. Just planting my spring onions. Excuse me, hands, you know I don't need that. Some spring onions outside in the mini greenhouse that I left as well. I'm going to plant them there. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, these are really big. I think these are ready to harvest. I already done that once, not on camera. Look at that, I've got some spring onions. They've just been outside. Oh, look at that, that's nice. I'm going to harvest these and take them home. So I'll harvest these ones, have a nice stir fry tonight or something maybe. These ones were in little pots. I've just brought them in from the outside one. These are the ones that were just left in the greenhouse, not getting water or anything. And these are like, I don't know, some sort of cabbage. Probably a mix of stuff that I, see what I mean, that one didn't even, to mix the stuff I forgot about, that I planted a few weeks ago. Just thought I'd dump them in here and get some like spring greens. I mean, that's nice little spring green now. Oh, I really can't remember what they are though. But yeah, it's my little forgotten veg stuff. Now I'm going to harvest these on camera. Wow. I'm just harvesting my lovingly cared for spring onions. When they're outside you can't see what they are when you draw on with permanent marker, but when they're inside you can. So I'm going to reuse them. It's a good tip though, if you want to reuse them, just leave them outside for a bit. I'm just going to put my glove on. Oh, it looks like it's stopping a little bit. Just in time to take my spring onions home. So I need to bring my tripod. I keep forgetting. I'm going to have to hurry up because it's stopping to rain. How good are them for just being left in a pot outside? Right, I'm going to try and make it to the shed. I need to lock the chickens up as well. Jesus. Are you honeys? Oh, wrong way. Good night. tomorrow. Oh, can't forget me spring onions. Right. Oh my god. Why is this open? Right. It's not stopped raining, but it's quite bright. I mean, light. So, I think this is the only chance I'm going to get to go home. What's back? I'm going to have to carry these leeks. Leeks! Spring onions. You haven't seen me. Right, let's try and get home. I just remembered this has got a little hood, this cardigan. God. How to grow 25p worth of spring onions. Hopefully I grow more than this. There is actually more than that because there's some at the back of my allotment planted and there's some in my veggie pod in the back garden.